Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, probably one of the more boring charts at the moment. It's just been moving sideways for the last few days, but if you've been watching these videos, not really to your surprise, I hope, because we've been talking about this triangle pattern now for the last few days and that it could unfold as a so-called ABCDE structure, an Elliott wave triangle, which would make higher lows and lower highs. I think this forecast so far has been correct, and now we just need to be watching for a probably impulsive breakout, because you can see that we are getting into much more contract, into a situation where price is really heading into an apex. So the market is forced to make some kind of a decision here. And we have an A wave complete in the triangle, the first corrective wave of a triangle, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and possibly the E wave as well. I mean, it can always go a little higher, but as long as it stays now below the C wave high, which is 27.3 cents, a move down is very likely, and then it could confirm that by breaking below the B wave low. So there are two levels of confirmation when a triangle breaks. First of all, as per this particular wave count, if wave 4 is really the triangle, then it should break down. And the first indication it's breaking down would be a break below 25.7 cents. The D wave low, the confirmation is a break below the B wave low at 25.2 cents. But of course, there's no guarantee the triangle will break to the downside. All I'm telling you here at the moment is, as long as price stays below the C wave high, this is most likely what's going to happen. If it breaks above the C wave high, two things can happen. First thing that can happen is that this C wave is simply extending, because the E wave is not allowed to go above the C wave, okay? But if it breaks above that level, then the triangle could simply extend. We could get something like this. It happens all the time with triangles. Just be prepared for that. That's why you can never assume a triangle is going to break, for example, to the downside without having the confirmation signal, which will be obtained if the B wave breaks. Okay, so this would be an extended triangle. Looks absolutely possible as well. Yeah, you just get a bit of an extended triangle. You just change the trend line. Happens all the time, right? But I leave it as it was. Or 1 second. Just need to change that back. So what can always also happen is that the wave 4 is just simply going a little higher. How would that work out from a wave count point of view? It's very simple, because this could be a typical, just a standard ABC structure in a wave 4, in which this was an A wave to the upside. The B wave could be a triangle, and then the C wave could move higher. This is also absolutely on the table. In that case, then the triangle would be just a little bit different. We would say A wave of the triangle, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave would complete the B wave low and then go higher before it comes down. What does that mean? It means the following. The current wave count here, this is the most obvious one, which is why I currently follow it. Price for this count to be valid and to remain valid, price needs to stay below the 27.3 cent level. A break below the B wave low would confirm the breakout. If it breaks above the C wave high, it would emphasize the idea that we get a higher wave 4. But ultimately, as long as price doesn't break above the 30.4 cent level, another low is expected in a wave 5. Yeah, to around 17 cents there is next support. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.